Hi, I'm Brandy, and today I'm going to be unboxing my MISHIBOX. MISHIBOX. MISHIBOX is a Korean beauty box. Here's the insert with all the items. Let's check it out. So we got a Real Nature mask sheet, aloe. Move this back a little. Ooh, fancy. Mediheal paraffin foot mask. Cool. Natural Camellia serum. I mean, Camellia is hot. This is like the third Camellia item I've gotten, and I'm pretty sure it's for moisturizing. Look at that. Natural sea buckthorn fruit oil, 100. So I've heard a lot about this one on the Korean beauty vlogs that I follow, so I'll have to read that for sure. And then this is Perfect Curling Mascara. Awesome. Alright, so we're empty there. So Skin Eye Natural Camellia Serum is a lightweight serum that moisturizes your skin from the inside out. It's full of beneficial ingredients. Blah blah blah. Moisturizes and protects skin, improves skin elasticity and texture, suitable for all skin types. Cool. After cleansing and toning, apply an adequate amount to skin. See Buckthorn Fruit, that's this one. So the first one was this, the Camellia stuff. The sea buckthorn fruit is a type of berry that contains naturally high amounts of omega-7 fatty acids, as well as antioxidants and vitamins such as E and C. These ingredients make sea buckthorn fruit oil a must-have for your winter skincare regimen. So it's naturally moisturizing. It has antioxidants, and the antioxidants and the vitamins fight wrinkles, prevent acne, and heal scar tissue damage. So you basically mix 1 to 2 drops into your moisturizer. The mascara. Don't be fooled by the unassuming black and white packaging, or even the crazy little $5 price tag. The Samuel Perfect Mascara is one of the best mascaras we've ever used. Full, long, soft, and fluttery. Then there's this. You use sheet mask for your face, why not have something similar for your feet? So basically, it's slip on the booties at night or day, soften and moisturize dry, cracked skin using a highly concentrated, deeply emollient formula of paraffin and urea. Wash feet with warm water until dry. Secure one mask per foot using the attached tape and leave on for 10 to 20 minutes. Remove mask and massage remaining into your feet. So this is my first foot mask, because usually I get the foot peels. And then of course these, I have tons of different ones of these. I think this is my only aloe, but I'm not sure. There's a huge variety. It's basically a sheet mask. So here we are. This is MISHIBOX for January 2019. It's one of my favorite boxes. It's very cheap. Comes with a lot of really nice items from really familiar brands. And it's really nice if you want to get started with Korean beauty, or even if you're just growing your collection of Korean beauty. I will have the details of how you can get this box in the description below. I will be coming out with my giveaway video soon, so please be patient with me. I got called into work today. So that should be coming out on Monday, so stay tuned for that. As always, please give me some comments, talk to me what you think, and as always, like. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Thanks for watching.